Welcome everyone to our next SAP error and solution tutorial series. Here you can see I am trying to post one accounting document for my newly configured company code 7075 and I am getting one error related to version 0 is not defined for the fiscal year 2025. So I'll rectify this error here. Click on view details, go to execute functions, enter your controlling area, select 0 plan actual version and then click on setting for each fiscal year's year. Select the reference of 2026 and click on copy as here. I'll change it here 2025. I'll change the exchange rate type also here. I have created my own exchange rate type 7075. Then press enter. Click on continue here. So you can see 2025 is added over here. So it's a year end activity kind of thing, like every year you have to check this version is updated or not. So click on save here, continue. So by this way you can solve this version 0 related error in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.